Stay tuned to see how I created these resin paperweights, necklaces, and coasters. Once I got everything mixed, I went ahead and separated the resin into a few different little smaller cups, adding in my mica powders and my mix-ins just to be able to create the bases for each of my different projects. For the little globe, I mixed in blue and green just to kind of mimic what the earth would look like, but you can use any colors that you choose. And then you just pour it straight into the silicone mold. I did this process for each individual paperweight. I did a diamond, a pyramid, and a complete full cube. I also did add the resin to each of my little necklace holders, and these will just create the actual gems that'll go on the end of your string to create your necklace. You can be real creative with this process, adding in different colors, different baubles, glitters, anything that you really want to add. Just be aware that when you do add your different little baubles, sometimes they do sink, and that can alter the end result of your design. And here is the finished results of our resin paperweights, necklaces, and coasters. This is what the spear looks like. I think the colors came out really nicely, as well as here is our diamond. Like, the glitter just looks so good in that. And this is what I was talking about, where you want to be aware that the bubbles that you add, I added butterflies to this one, but most of them kind of sunk down. But I do like how there are some that are still floating. And then here is our pyramid. Again, the color came out really nicely, and I think it just looks really good. Here is our mechanical coaster. A few of the extra gems that I did not add my little screw to. With making the necklaces, the point in time where you add your screw so that you'll be able to add your string to create your necklace is imperative, because as you saw, sometimes it will sink down and you will end up losing your screw. That happened to 2 of them, as you can see in the pink one as well. But overall, I am super happy with how everything came out. Thank you for joining me again for another DIY resin video. I hope you guys are enjoying these tutorials. Let me know if there's any specific silicone molds that I should get that you guys would like to see me go ahead and create. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for notifications. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what I should try next, or what mold I should buy off of Amazon next. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.